Especially when there's bubbles. Yeah. But you don't even know what those are yet.
Are you going to bathe with Lizzie with bubbles? Yeah? Oh, Lizzie.
You want a bubble bath? No, because you don't even know what that is.
Are you loving your auntie?
Yeah.
He's so talking.
Are you a little chatty Cathy? Are you a little chatty Cathy? What's that look mean? Is that disturbed? You look disturbed.
You found yourself 15 years from now on base.
Oh, I'll be sure to douse you in water and soap if you don't bathe yourself. Yes, even if you are twice my size. I will find a way. Yes, I will. You must be twice my size.
Lizzie.